I don't know what to say.
What's up, guys? It is your boy Tony B, and we back again with another lit video. And today we are working on the Z again, baby.
Oh! Yes, sir!
If y'all don't know, last video we were going ahead and taking off the timing belt covers. We have not taken off the timing belt yet. Want to make sure I take off the plenum, make sure this thing is top dead center before I take off this timing belt. So what we're gonna do, not gonna talk much, we're gonna go ahead and get into this thing, take off this intake plenum. Hopefully it's not too crazy, because you know Nissans, they got a whole bunch of cooling lines and stuff like that underneath that, but we ain't gonna complain, we just gonna get to work. All right, y'all, let's go. Feliz Navidad. Hit, 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 hit. Feliz Navidad.
I almost puked, but let me stay focused.
I need help. I ain't about to play with y'all.
Y'all, don't worry about what people say about you.
Okay, I'ma just go on a quick rant. If y'all heard that last little bitty clip, man, I'm so sick of Nissan and their stupid clip technology. As y'all can see, this little clip that you pull out, I get it. You're not supposed to pull it all the way out. I tried not to. And it fell down in there. Come on, Nissan. It's already too hot for this, man.
They're gonna try to sabotage you. They're gonna just try to do anything they're trying to do to destroy you.
Well, I wonder what this man's issue or a fixation with RTV. Bruh. Oh my God. We got a lot of stuff to take off back there, man. EGR valve, PCV, coolant lines. It's gonna be a while, y'all. It's gonna be a while. I can see why people say Nissan Z's are hard to work on, bro. Lord have mercy, just to take off that, oh, so tough, but I'm praying that this is worth it. I'm gonna show y'all what we got going on. All this RTV, I think this is, for me to take this off. But like he was just RTV happy. I mean, I don't think you need to put RTV on your intake, especially not that much. And as you can see, these injectors look like they're old, or just at least the caps are old. They're the old style. So definitely, it's probably time to replace those. Probably will go with the new style. If you guys are familiar with the Z's, you know they have the new style and the old style. This is the old style, so I think I'll go with the new style. Probably replace a lot of stuff on here, man. I might, I'm definitely doing a coolant delete. Might do the R8 coil conversion. I might just leave that alone because I probably could do that later on. Definitely doing the EGR delete. Don't need the EGR. I'm gonna delete on that. But yeah, man. Whew. This might be the end of the video. Just because, man, this thing took a lot, man. Then our AC went out, so I'm out here sweating. Can't even go inside for a reprieve, man. So yeah, I think this is gonna be it, man. But like I said before, I'm bringing y'all along with me with everything, man. I had 3 videos set up, but like I told y'all, man, the last video, it got deleted, man. My footage got deleted, man. It sucks. But once again, thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for rocking with me. Y'all be patient, man. I think this is gonna be a great build right here, y'all. Gonna make it clean, simple, not too crazy. Not gonna do a high horsepower build, build, but just gonna keep it simple and clean. I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, put some paper towels in most of these holes. Don't want nothing to fall in there. But yeah, I think that's it, y'all. Love y'all. Peace. Ding, 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 ding.
Brainwash to activate the coon chip in the average Negro.